Let's learn how to tag someone on Facebook. So welcome back to another simple tutorial, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how you can easily tag a person in a photo on Facebook on both iPhone and Android devices. And without wasting your time, let's start with the tutorial right away. You want to open your Facebook mobile app and we'll go to our Facebook profile. So click on the menu in the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on your name at the top of the screen. When you get to your profile, we'll go to our photo section and select a photo on which we want to tag someone. I'll open this photo right here, and if I want to tag someone on this photo, I'll click on this little icon at the top that looks like a price tag. When we click on it, a little text will appear that says tap anywhere to tag. And we can now click on any part of the photo. For example, if you have a person in a photo, you can click on that person and then enter a name of the person that you want to tag. I'll type my profile name because I didn't add any friends yet, but you can add any of your friend and tag them. And when you select the name, that friend will be tagged. You can tag multiple person in one Facebook photo, and when someone opens that photo they will be able to see who is in that photo because we've tagged them. And that's how you can tag a person in a photo on Facebook. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.